I feel like my classmates are watching me and judging me.
We're obsessed with being the most manly.
If I actually acted the way I wanted to, just like comfortably lived at school, then I feel like I would just get like shut out and people would judge me. I wish there was some way I could like escape some of these feelings.
Like, it's hard, kind of sucks sometimes. You're not alone. And you can say, Mary-Beth, that's really easy for you to say because you're like standing on the stage trying to be all cool, whatever. But can I let you in on a little secret? Can I? Yes. Okay. I go to counseling too. I go to counseling. And I might seem like the last person you think would, but it's something that's helped me a lot. And I think that if I can stand up here and admit that, I think any of you could go out for that and try it out, see what it's like. It can help you. We're living day by day and we don't know what the next step is because no one ever told us. There isn't some life plan that's like 3 easy steps on how to be happy. I want to start conversations where we start thinking about our feelings. We start thinking about these issues that we see, but we never talk about, and then it makes it worse. The only thing that's gonna cause a change now is if you guys decide to do something. Are you guys gonna take that first step or not? It's up to you.